just going to show you a cool little trick you can do to sort of not convert, but sort of use your Perilla grill as almost like a bit of a wood fire oven. We've got a good fire going. We've got our wood burning off to the side making embers. We've got some charcoal here as well. But just a really simple flatbread. When I'm making a flatbread, I try and make sure that it's not too over kneaded because I find it makes it a bit chewy, so I try to make that one nice and light. Basically, you've been burning your fire for a while. You've got really nice hot bricks. Ideally, you want to create a little spot that's sitting at about 360 to 400 degrees, kind of like an Italian pizza oven. These bricks help to trap a bit of heat in there. They're not by any means, you don't definitely need them, but they can be helpful. All you're going to do is grab a small rack, put it on the top of your Perilla, move the bulk of your charcoal onto the actual grill itself, and you're kind of creating like a salamander, like a grill that you'd use in your oven. So you put your hot coals up the top, you leave a little bit firing at the back, move everything out of the way a little bit, leave enough space for your flatbread to go in the middle. Just give that a little bit of a wipe. Get a little bit of oil on your flatbread, not too much. Just heat them up and straight on there. And then drop down your coals. So you've got heat from the bottom, heat from the top. Your bread's rising nicely. You're sitting at hopefully that nice sort of 300 odd degrees in there, which is good. You can see it's puffing up well. You can see it's starting to caramelize on the bottom. You could, if you wanted, put some andouille on top, maybe make it like a bit of a pizza, or just keep it natural, season it when it comes off. Let's have a look at it. Give yourself a bit of room to work. Comes up okay. You give it a flip just for a few seconds, or you could put it up on the coals themselves. Now's a good time to brush a little bit of butter on there. That's just come out of the grill. It took about a minute or so to cook. We've got a little bit of melted butter and some herbs. If you had something like, some andouille, pretty good. If you're lucky enough to have a little bit of salmon caviar and creme fraiche, they have a dish like that at Esther in Sydney. But really, just that with anything you're eating or just by itself is a pretty happy way to spend a day.